What is up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. Today we got a new thing that I picked up. It's called Mothers CMX Advanced Science. It's a ceramic trim coating. It's supposed to restore and coat plastic materials. As you can see, our bumper over here is very faded out from the sun, and it looks nice and nasty, and looks old. It looks dingy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna coat this with our CMX, and we're gonna test this out to see if it actually does anything to the bumper. Right, Jerre?
Yeah.
So we're gonna test this out, and this thing says that you can apply more than once, but it says to allow 24 hours to cure the CMX on the bumper before applying another coat. So here we go. I'm gonna apply the coat. So again, I'm gonna apply one coat today, and then tomorrow we're gonna do a second coat. And then on the next day, I'm gonna do a third coat, and then we'll see exactly how the bumper is turning out. And I'm only gonna do half the bumper to start. So this is the floor, and then we'll do another one tomorrow, and we'll keep on adding coats to see how it's gonna look. All right, guys, so let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna shake it up a bit. I already got my rag. This thing's a pretty old rag, so I'm gonna apply it on the rag. And then it's still pretty ashy outside, so I'm kind of worried about the... Oh, wow. All right, so just applying it liberally, making sure to cover the whole... Making sure to cover the whole bumper here. Might have to add a little bit more on here. Let me get some more. So far it's looking pretty good. See how it dries though. What do you guys think? Do you think this is gonna do a good job, or do you think this is just gonna dry up? I don't know if it's gonna dry up or not. I'm gonna find out. The other one I need to try is called the not back to black, but it's called that black thing. Essentially, the black thing is like a paint. But before I do any paint, I want to give these trim restore things a chance. And I don't know if it's doing the job, but as you can see, it's already drying up pretty bad. It's looking white all over again. We're gonna keep applying this. It's already drying up. This thing worked its magic in the interior of my car, but it's not, maybe too weak for the exterior. Alrighty, so far that's how it's looking. This is the side that's treated a little bit, and again it says to wait 24 hours, let it dry, and then come back and do another coat. But I don't know. I feel like adding some more. Alrighty guys, I'm just about done doing half the bumper. So again, this is on this side over here where I treated it with the CMX plastic. Looks like there's some shiny spots where the, I guess the coating was on. It's kind of drying up right now, and I gotta say it looks pretty clean. I'll let it dry, you know, continuously dry to see how it looks afterwards. But look at the untreated side. Check that out. So you can tell this thing is pretty sun damaged. So let me know what you guys think. So yeah, this is day one. Again, we're gonna let it dry. We'll continue on this video tomorrow, and we'll find out how it's gonna turn out. But yeah, that's the treated side. So yeah, this is the treated side, untreated side, and there's a big difference already. So again, tomorrow we'll do a second coat and we'll see how it looks with a second coat. So yeah, that's the way it looks right now. Pretty good, CMX, pretty good. And it doesn't look fake either. It doesn't look like a fake shine, you know what I mean? Like, it looks pretty cool. All right, so we'll start again tomorrow. We'll do a second coat tomorrow and we'll see how it looks. Alrighty guys, so this is day 2 of the CMX trim coat. As you can see, I had put it on the truck all over, and the trim looks really good. It's looking like almost like a brand new truck, and there's not much of a shine to it. It just looks like, you know, normal plastic. So you can see I got the side here. I gotta do maybe another pass on the bottom, but it looks really good. And here's the this is an untreated area here. So as you can see, that was not treated yesterday, and see the treated area over here. Look at that, that's pretty good. It looks really clean. So yeah, let me move back here so you guys can see. Sorry, trying not to get my plates there. So as you can see, treated and then untreated. See all the fading, the nastiness. It's a bit dirty, so I'm gonna wipe it down and I'm gonna do the whole bumper. But that's day 2, and I'll do an update video and to see how it's gonna look, or how it looks after a month. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again guys, if you guys want to pick this up on Amazon, this is the Mothers CMX Ceramic Trim Restore and Coat for the outside trim, and link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.